Hello, today's date is January 11th, 2019. For today's video source inspection, we are filming a fully refurbished 470S model spin rinser dryer. Due to confidentiality reasons, I will not be sharing my customer's identity with you today. However, I'll share their location as well as their internal purchase order number so they can identify the tool. The customer is in Virginia, and it's a long PO number, so bear with me here. The PO number is 01878 00 00 00 2392. So it's 01878 0 times 6, so 6 zeros, then 2392. Let's open up the door because we have something interesting to show you today for the video source inspection. This is a Cytec built custom rotor. Our customer is able to run up to 8 cassettes at a time. We're not going to run a cassette for you today. It's going to run perfectly smooth as any rotor you've ever seen. When our customer runs a load, if they put in one load, they need to balance the other side to make sure that they don't experience any vibration. So if they only have one cassette to load in, they need a cassette with dummies to balance. So this is a very cool rotor and something we're proud of at Cytec and our customer likes very much. All right, we have nitrogen purging into the bowl. I've told you about our rotor here. We are able to design and build custom rotors. As long as the customer lets us know the specifics of their substrates, we can then design a custom cassette. And in turn, once we have the cassette, we can design a custom rotor. If you already have a custom cassette, we can build a custom rotor using your cassette design. Okay, we're going to run a process recipe for you today. I'm going to discuss our refurbishment process as well as our spare parts and service and other wafer fab equipment we can supply outside of remanufactured spin rinser dryers. So, let's begin. Okay, we have a minute-long rinse we're going to be going through today. I'll start talking about our refurbishments at Cytec. Every spin rinser dryer sent into Cytec goes through the same exact refurbishment process. First, we take an SRD and we break it down to the component level. From there, we chemically clean and electropolish all metal parts. We also individually test every component for function. Once all the parts are prepped, that's when we build head assemblies from the ground up. About 30 seconds left, then we'll move into a 10-second purge where we ramp up to 1800 RPMs. Okay, so once we build the head assembly all the way back up, we put the SRD into our dry quality control. Once the tool is in dry quality control, that's where we test it for full function without installing facilities. 5 seconds till we get to our purge, we'll ramp up. And the rotor is so smooth, you can't even feel that the rotor's ramping up. It's really amazing. As smooth as they come. Once the tool passes dry quality control, we move it into our wet quality control. This is where we test the SRD and install the facilities. We're at 1800, right on the dot. The motor and PSD101 controller are working well together and the calibration is perfect. Our customers are going to be very happy with this tool when they get it back. Once the tool passes wet quality control, you will see the tool in our final configuration, which is before you today. Not every tool is sent in with poly. I just did a video for the same customer of a tool that did not get sent in with poly. So there's many variations of spin rinser dryers you can see. If you have a need for a refurbishment, please give us a call. Our number is 916-797-9000. We'll connect you with the proper salesperson for your territory to get you a quote and an RMA to have a tool shipped to us to be fixed up. Okay, 5 seconds and then we'll move into our dry 2 where we'll ramp back down to 600 RPMs. I'd like to discuss our spare parts and service. Cytec Process Solutions provides 100% of the spare parts and services necessary to keep your semi-tool spin rinser dryer up and running. Parts we provide include windows, door seals, ACR valves, solenoid valves, rotor stop positioners, tach sensors, pressure switches, start-stop switches, door switches, any part you need, we can provide it for you. The larger components that we provide as well as repair include all controller models, including 228, 328, PSC 101 and 102 controllers, amps, including the LC4 and LC5s, as well as motors and rotor rebalances. SciTech Process Solutions is the worldwide leader in spare parts and service. 10 seconds left in our dry 2. We're at 500 RPMs. Some equipment we provide include box washers, mask cleaners, metrology tools, including profilometers, ellipsometers. We're ramping down now. We're at 0. It's not safe to open the door yet. RSP is fired. I just heard it. We want the rotor to go back into the upright position. And then we want the air to deflate from the seal, which I heard, so it's safe to open the door. If you open the door too early, then you're prone to run into damage on your SRD. Okay, we have warm air purging in the bowl, residual droplets of water. You do not want to dry to the point that your bowl is bone dry, as you're more prone to high particle counts if you do so. We don't have any cassettes today, so there's no wafers to show you that are dry, but they would be. This was a successful process run. If you have any refurbishment, spare parts, or equipment needs, please give us a call at 916-797-9000. Feel free to send us an email. Our email is sales@scitechprocess.com. You can submit a formal RFQ through our website or use that email. Our website is www.scitechprocess.com. We thank you for watching today's video source inspection. We'll see you next time.